eConsult is an online tool that allows healthcare providers to gather information and effectively care navigate patients to an appropriate service. eConsult offers an opportunity to allow a GP to triage cases so that the patient can get a better experience. It might mean that you see a GP much more quickly than you would have seen one in the past. The key is you'll see an appropriate person in an appropriate time frame based on the information you provide to us. I think online consultations have been absolutely invaluable during COVID. I think without the eConsult, or at least an electronic platform and triage, we would have really struggled. It's enabled us to get pictures and images in place prior to seeing a patient, and again, that's the beauty of an eConsult. You can sit there, look at it and think, well, we haven't got everything we really need here. Reply to them using the eConsult tools and say, can you provide us with, for example, a picture, or for example, more information about that, so we can ensure you're seen in an appropriate time by the right person. I can use one overriding word, which would be control. GPs who've worked here for 30, 40 years have said that they felt like they've got control of their own practice back. And I'd like to think that's echoed by patients, and they feel that by using eConsult and electronic platforms, they feel they've got more control over their own healthcare, and the fact that they can submit the right amount of information in a more comfortable manner and know that they're going to get something back much more quickly than they would have done in the past without having to present to the practice necessarily. I think that before we used eConsult to the extent we use it now, we struggled to triage, speaking to the staff. They've really enjoyed us kind of taking that pressure off them, as now it's moved to the clinician who's using the eConsult as a triage tool. I think that they've been invaluable and will continue to be so moving forward.